Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.
Welcome to this very special AI-generated price analysis. In this weekly price analysis, we will cover Bitcoin and Cardano, ADA. First, the market update. After significant weekly gains, the crypto market paused this week to look for clear trigger points before moving higher. The market is focusing US Fed's monetary policy release, which is coming on 2nd February. Although the market has factored in a 25 basis points rate hike, any large rate hike can worsen market conditions and trigger a sell-off in risk-on assets. The total market cap is successfully holding above the $1 trillion level, and the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index has been out of the fear zone for 15 days in a row, which is a big positive for the market. With this, we will start this week's price analysis by analyzing the Bitcoin chart. Last week, Bitcoin tried breaking above the highly resistive 20,10,800 rupee level but failed and dropped significantly to test for support at the 19,67,500 rupees and 19,19,500 rupee levels. On the 4-hour chart, the 50 EMA shows a visible uptrend in Bitcoin price and provides strong support. If, in tomorrow's session, Fed delivers a monetary policy on expected lines and softens its position on future rate hikes, it could break above the 19,67,500 rupees and could open the door for Bitcoin to reach the 23,80,000 rupee level. However, keep a close eye on the RSI momentum indicator as it is falling, indicating a weakening of the bullish trend due to a lack of direction in the market. Cardano ADA. Apart from Bitcoin, our focus this week is on the native token of Cardano ADA. On a monthly basis, ADA is up by over 45%, rising from 22.20 rupees to 34.06 rupees. On the 4-hour price chart, we can see after the cup and handle breakout at the beginning of 2023, ADA price is moving higher within the ascending triangle pattern, which is a bullish pattern. Also, Cardano is witnessing increased interest from investors as the network is witnessing higher developer activity on the back of multiple network upgrades that improved its capability. In 2022, Cardano has been ranked the top blockchain protocol by development activity. One more important development that is grabbing eyeballs is the launch of the algorithmic stablecoin JED on Cardano mainnet. JED is an over-collateralized USD-pegged stablecoin, which is backed by ADA and is a project of DeFi service provider, CoinSwitch. According to the official release, each JED will be over-collateralized by 300 to 400% by ADA. Coming back to technical analysis, every dip looks like a buying opportunity as long as ADA stays above the 50 EMA slope, which is providing strong support. Other coins that are witnessing increased volatility include Doge, Shiba Inu, Phantom, Fetch.ai, and Matic.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.